This guided energy starter meditation can be done any time of the day, whenever you're feeling a little less energetic and need some energizing technique to follow. Thank you for joining me at Tranquility Now. This is Rachna Nair, your meditation guide. So let's begin this guided energy starter by taking some deep energizing breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Breathing in deeply and exhaling slowly. Breathing in deeply again and breathing in energy and exhaling out deeply. Keep breathing deeply and slowly and calmly. With each breath, you can take in the air your body needs and becomes filled with energy. You can exhale any tension or fatigue you may be experiencing. Oftentimes it is noticed that lack of energy is just lack of oxygen going to your blood. So take this moment to breathe in deeply, slowly and calmly, and exhale fully. For the next few moments, focusing on your breath and concentrating on your breathing energy and positive feelings, coming in with the in-breath and breathing negative feelings out with your out-breath. Breathing in positivity around you and breathing out any negative emotions, feelings away from you. You may want to visualize breathing in positive energy with a color, white or golden, and breathing out negative energy or negative feelings with the color gray or brown. Continue the guided energy starter, become more energized with each breath you take. Waking up, becoming wide awake and energetic. Now get ready to get up and get moving, becoming alert and awake. Allow the energy to grow. Encourage the energy. Filled with energy, grow the energy, getting more and more energetic and alive with every breath you take. I invite you to squeeze your hands into fists and clench your fists tightly. Tightly. Feel the muscles in your hands and arms strong, tight. Squeeze. And now release the fists, allowing your hands to become loose and relaxed and limp. Allow your hands and arms to become warm and awake. Close your fists again and now open them. Close and open your hands a few more times, waking up the muscles of your hands and arms. As you continue this guided energy starter, allow yourself to experience feelings of excitement, anticipation for the day ahead. Allow the energy to flow through your body, completely waking up, filled with energy. And now, rub your hands together. Feel the friction generated by your hands rubbing together like electricity, crackling and increasing your energy. As you rub your hands together, it generates energy for your mind and body, leaving you feeling completely awake and alert. Now move your feet up and down at the ankles, flexing the muscles on the front of the legs, around the shin. As you move your toes up towards your shins, hold, and then point your toes again away, flexing the muscles on the back of your legs, hold, and now move up your feet again and down, pointing out and in towards you, away from your face and towards your face. And now move your feet quickly up and down, waking up your leg muscles, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now hold your feet still. Make them absolutely still. Feel the tingling, energized sensation in the muscles of your legs. Hold your hands on your knees and rub your hands up your legs towards your hips, then back down towards your knees. Move your hands briskly along the muscles of your thighs, generating warmth and energy. And then stop and let your arms rest and your hands in your lap. Feel the energy in the muscles of your legs. Continue this guided energy starter as you become more awake, alert, and energized. Getting ready to go. Feel your body getting ready to move. Continue the guided energy starter, wanting to move, eager to get going. Continuing the guided energy starter, so filled with energy and motivation. Get into a standing position, please, with your feet and shoulder width apart, and your hands at your side. Breathe in as you reach your right arm up and stretch your right hand as high up in the air as you can, and breathe out as you lower your right arm to your side. Breathe in as you raise your arm, left arm now. Reach up as high as you can with your left arm. Exhale as you lower your left arm to your side. Now alternate with your arms, breathing in as you raise your right arm and out as you lower your right arm. Breathing in as you raise your left arm and out as you lower your left arm. In, reach out, relax. 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 Follow this rhythm. In, reach out, relax. In, reach out, relax. Good. Now relax both your arms at your sides and stand with your eyes closed for a moment. Become aware of how your body feels. Turn your attention inward, just observing the state of your body. Feel your breathing as each breath moves in and out of your body. Feel the gentle movements of your body as the air moves in and out with each breath. Notice that you can feel calm and relaxed but energized at the same time. You can encourage the energy within you to increase becoming more and more energetic, more awake, more alert, and ready to go. Concentrate on a feeling deep inside the core of your body, a feeling of energy in your solar plexus, of power, of motivation, excitement. Focus intently on this feeling. You may notice it at the center of your body, near your stomach. Encourage this feeling to grow, getting bigger and bigger. See that energy within can grow without any effort at all. The energy so easily and naturally grows until you feel filled with buzzing electric energy. So eager to move. Movement would feel effortless. Your body feels so light, so powerful, so free. Completely filled with energy from head to toe. Ready to move, ready to think, ready to act, to do everything you need to do to fly through the day ahead. Concentrate on this feeling and allow it to grow until it is so powerful you feel unstoppable. It's a wonderful feeling to be so energized and comfortable. And now you can proceed with your day, ready to take on the day ahead, feeling energized, alert, calm, and powerful. Open your eyes and smile.